Hey, welcome to the Wise Owl. The cool idea of the Interstellar music theme starts from the interesting movement of the three main voices. Let's listen to the easy guitar arrangement and see the corresponding music standard notation. The different layers of notes are called voices. For the high voice, the same note is played in the theme, and to me, it represents the striving human need for exploration, particularly in the movie for finding a new, ideal world. If we pay attention to the movement of the other two voices, we notice that they are going up with every new bar, and the middle voice is getting closer and closer to reaching the high voice. So to me, these two voices represent the human efforts to reach that new world. With every new bar, we get closer and closer to the goal, and the music is taking us higher and higher. The only exception is in the last bar, when the opposite movement of the bass voice, compared with the middle voice, might represent in the movie the fall into the black hole. With all this in mind, let's hear it again. Now for guitar players. This fingerstyle arrangement can be played at any level, in the open position. Let's first see the tab. Now in order to play it, we need as well to understand how the fingers are used. So let's consider the classical guitar notation. Now we can have the complete instructions to the tab. Finally, let's add the chord names as well. You may want to pause here and practice until you will learn it. Soon you will master it. Great! Please like if you liked it, and input in the comments other cool movie themes that you'd like me to cover. Thanks for watching. Please go ahead and subscribe and check out my channel to understand music like never before. The Wise Owl salutes you.